Hey, ladies and gentlemen, Tony Blackmon here, Director of Operations with Paramount Property Investments. My last video, I kind of elaborated on our service to homeowners. We're particularly focused on helping homeowners get out of a situation they don't want to be in with their home. Quick and easy solution for a cash offer. Now, if you're a real estate investor, our service to you is we're going to provide you with safe investments. If you're a real estate investor looking for a property that would be a great rental property, or if you're looking to fix and flip a property, we have great properties at the investor price point that you need to have to make that investment profitable. So we make sure that the due diligence is done on the front end as far as any repair costs. We make sure that you are aware of any other fees that may be attached to that property so you can make the safest investment properly. So if you are in need of more inventory, we're always selling off inventory. So if you want to contact us or purchase one of our properties, definitely give us a call, 330-685-2220, or just visit our website, www.investparamount.com.